how to add music to Pinterest idea pins. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you add music to your Pinterest idea pins. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application Pinterest with your account. Alright, so after you open the Pinterest app with your account, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on the plus icon just at the bottom of your screen. Okay, so simply tap on pin icon. Alright, so from here you'll have to choose the video whom you want to add music. So right now I'm choosing this one. Alright, so simply from here tap on next, just at the top right corner. Okay, so after you add the video on Pinterest idea pins, you'll be able to see such interface. So from here at the bottom you'll got a lot of options here. So from here you might be finding the icon like music. So in my case I'm not finding the options like music. So it is happening because of my region based problem. So in your case you might be finding the music icon. So from there you'll have to go that option, and from there after you go with that option music icon, you'll be able to browse so many options on your music. So from there you can choose the particular or a specific music whom you want to add on that videos. So after you choose a music, from there you'll have to just tap on the done option, and from there you'll be able to add music to your Pinterest idea pins. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.